everybody, Chris Lano here from IPD, and in this video we are going to be talking about garage sale. That's right, it is our 35th annual garage sale coming up on May 19th. This is one of many videos leading up to the event. We have a lot to do and get done before that occurs, so we're going to walk around the warehouse, going to walk around the facility, and if you haven't ever come to the garage sale before, we're going to give you a little bit of an idea of the layout of the land, what to expect, where to go if you're coming from out of town, and who is supporting us this year. So let's go for a walk. Here's a familiar face. We got Bud Kogel, our logistics manager's out here in the warehouse. He's been working with our warehouse crew, and we're just getting everything cleaned up, ready to go. This is our shop area where we shoot our videos. This is where R&D is, and a lot of storage for parts. But yeah, we're just cleaning everything up right now. We hold our Tech Talk session in here. We're hoping for great weather today. We don't have that in Portland. It's raining outside. But yeah, we're just getting things cleaned up, right, Bud?
Trying to, just for you guys.
So for those of you who have not attended IPD's garage sale in the past, this is where we hold the main car show. This is the one where I'm asking for you to contact me, Chris, at IPDUSA.com. If you have a unique Volvo or a concourse Volvo or something that you've done that is radical or off the cuff or something completely different from anything else out there, please bring it so I can display it within the main car lot. We'll talk about the show and shine across the street here in a second, but this is where we have our vendors. This is where we have our charity group set up. This is where we have the PA system. All the raffle and auction events take place. Everybody will be gathered in the main lot here at IPD. So if you haven't come before, this is where most of the show goes down, but we got a lot happening across the street, and I'm gonna talk to you about that right now. Let's go. So I'm standing in front of Ainsworth Circle, which is a horseshoe right off of Airport Way. If you're coming from out of town, please visit our blog. We do have lodging across the street that we've made available to you at a discount at the Shiloh Inn. That's a great resource. Use IPD Volvo, they'll give you a discount. Across the street is MESD, that's Multnomah Education School District. They've allowed us to use their parking lot, which is huge. That's where the swap meet takes place. That's where the show and shine takes place. If you want to bring parts down and be a part of the swap meet, it's $30. That goes towards charity. To reserve a spot, please get a hold of one of IPD's customer service agents at 800-444-6473 or visit our blog for details. If you want to attend the show and shine and you're not going to be in the main lot here at IPD for the main car show, bring your car down. We want to see it. It costs $5 to get into that parking lot. That goes towards charity. IPD's even got a little special goodie that we're going to give you this year for all attendees who are actually bringing their Volvos down to come in to display their Volvo on for everybody to look at. So it's a cool thing. Our marketing department's working on that right now. I'm not going to do any spoilers. We'll let you know what it is as we get closer to the event. All right, everybody, we are standing right in front of IPD, and this is where we're going to have our nonprofit set up. We have partnered with Nursingale. They're a nonprofit located here in Portland, Oregon, and that's what this event is all about. We want to help raise awareness and money for Nursingale. Nursingale provides in-home care facilities and nursing facilities to medically fragile clients. And we've been partnering with them for many years now, and I think that it's a wonderful nonprofit, and we're so pumped to have you guys here to help contribute to their wonderful cause. And by doing so, we've got some great sponsors on board this year. We're still working on that. Like I said, this is one of many videos leading up to the event, so if you want to keep track of the sponsors that have jumped on board, visit our blog, and we will continue to promote them throughout these videos. Number one, Herzog Meyer, a premier Volvo dealership located here in Portland, Oregon, is going to be here with many Volvos for you to check out. So if you're interested in looking at new Volvos that are coming out or what they're offering, be here, use one of their sales staff members. They'll show you everything about the new Volvos that are being offered. We've also got Mission Trading, or MTC, on board this year. They love Nursingale, and they're donating a ton of product for the raffle and the auction. They're always willing to help us out because they know that we're here and they know what our mission is, and they want to help out with that. So thank you, MTC. We also have Mala. They've been here many times in the past with a booth and a rep setup. So if there's any questions you have about their products, they're a premier automotive manufacturer or parts manufacturer within the automotive industry. If you have any questions, be here, ping it off one of the reps. They're happy to answer any of those questions that you might have. We've also got our platinum sponsor this year who really stepped up, which is Bosch. They're going to have a rep here. We're so pumped that Bosch Automotive Parts Manufacturing Company is actually going to be here representing our show. So a lot of great things are happening. Please stay tuned on our blog. If you have any more questions, feel free to hit up my graphics or my marketing team or customer service or myself. We're all here to help. All we care about is making sure that we contribute to Nursingale this year, and we have great weather. Today's not a great display of that, but we are looking for sunshine on May 19th, so that way everybody can bring out their prized possessions and show them off and have a great day. So thanks for tuning in.